Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we're going to be making homemade southern mac and cheese. So right here I got some paprika, garlic powder, pepper, seasoned salt. I'm not going to use all of this, but it's just to taste. And I got some flour here, some butter, Velveeta cheese. This is not sponsored. This is about 8 ounces. Also got a half a pound of Monterey Jack and Colby cheese that I shredded by hand, and I also have medium sharp cheddar cheese that I shredded by hand. This is about 8 ounces. And I also have some milk. So right here I'm already started boiling my elbow mac and cheese. These are the jumbo, the large jumbo. I had put oil and some salt in here, and it's boiling right now. So right here I have an empty pan, big enough for me to do the sauce. So right now I'm gonna add just let's say a tablespoon of butter. You don't need that much. Tablespoon of butter. Let it melt a bit. And then to this I'm gonna add the flour. The flour was about a tablespoon. So you're gonna mix it. Make sure the flour is fully incorporated into the. Make sure the flour is fully incorporated into the butter. All right, gonna mix. Now we're gonna add our milk. This is just some whole milk. Alright, so I'm just mixing, making sure that the flour butter mixture is fully incorporated into the milk. This is gonna make it a bit thick. That's the whole purpose of adding the flour. I hope the sauce thickens. Alright guys, so as my milk is mixing, heating up, I'm just gonna add my seasoning, a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of garlic, half a tablespoon of sea salt, and then just a bit of salt to taste. As I go along, if it needs more salt, I'm just gonna add more. Just gonna go ahead and mix, and then now I'm gonna add my Velveeta cheese. This is about 8 ounces of cheese. So you're going to mix until the cheese is fully melted, and then we're going to add the rest of our cheese. Alright guys, so my Velveeta cheese is just melting. Now I'm going to add just a bit of my medium sharp cheddar cheese. Not too much, because I'm going to save the rest to put on top. I'm going to do the same with my Monterey Jack and Colby cheese. Alright, so now we're just going to incorporate it. By the way guys, if you haven't done so, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Common Eats family for more food videos. So we're just going to continue mixing until the cheese is fully incorporated. And I almost forgot, I had some paprika on the side. I'm just going to add a bit, not too much. Just to add some color. It doesn't really add flavor really. See the beautiful sauce? It's a bit thick. Now right here I have some egg. Like it's just one egg. I'm gonna temper it. I'm gonna add, it's basically adding some of the hot cheese sauce into the egg and mixing it so when you put it in the actual mixture, it doesn't fold up. The egg doesn't actually fully cook. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna untemper my eggs right now since the sauce is almost done. I have my egg mixture here. I'm just gonna put it right in there and immediately mix. Alright, now I'm gonna add it back to, I'm gonna add the eggs to my actual mixture. And then quickly whisk. So the eggs don't cook. This will help for your sauce to not be chunky. So we're just gonna continue to whisk. Don't be afraid to taste your sauce, guys. This is the time to do it. Right, to me, my sauce is really good right now. But if yours is missing salt, if you want to add Italian seasoning, or if you want to add any other seasoning to your liking, you can do so. Alright, so I'll be right back when the macaroni is done cooking. Alright guys, so I just added the macaroni. And it looks so good right now. It may look a bit watery, but when we put it under the oven, the water's gonna evaporate. Well, the milk is gonna evaporate a bit. But it's nice and creamy. Nice creamy sauce. So I'm just gonna add this to a baking pan. And we're gonna pop it right into the oven at 375 degrees. Alright, see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I just transferred the macaroni into the foil pan. So right now I'm just going to add my cheese right on top. This is the Monterey Jack and Colby. Just evenly space it out. I personally like a lot of cheese in my macaroni. How about you guys? And if so, what type of cheese do you like in your macaroni? Other than the basics. So I'm just going to finish topping it off with the cheese. Alright y'all. And then I'm going to add just a bit of paprika on top to make it look good. Just sprinkle it on top of there. Alright y'all, it's done. So now we're just going to pop it into the oven. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm just going to cover it with foil. Since we have that egg in there and we don't want the top to cook before the actual, everything's incorporated into the macaroni, we cover it with foil. It's going to be in there at 375 for about 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, you take the foil off and you let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys. Pop it into the oven. Alright guys, so the macaroni just finished cooking. You see the top has a nice crust to it. And then it's nice and ooey gooey on the inside. See? Southern mac and cheese. Alright guys, so if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, let us know in the comment section what's your favorite Thanksgiving side. My favorite is macaroni and cheese. Alright guys, see you soon.